Hello students, our next topic is construct the FA that accept every string ends with BAB. Construct the FA that accept all the strings of A's and B's where every string ends with what BAB. So now sigma alphabet A comma B is their universal language, you know. Now from this language, the W is a string should be ending with what? BAB. Start with anything X. So the BAB should be there. BAB. Now what is X? X could be either A or B. We can get it. Now see the language. The language contains the string. X is epsilon. BAB is a minimum thing ending with. Then B, you can start with A, B, A, B possible, yes or no? B, B, A, B possible, like anything ending with what? B, A. So as I mentioned, for B, A, B you should give a transition, then think about control remaining things here. Q0 on B, Q1. So Q1 on A, Q2. So Q2 on B, Q3. Q3. So should make Q3 the final state. Ending with BAB, right? Should make the final state. Now see, take W, any number of B's followed by BAB can come or not? Yes. So now BAB is right. So you can make here any number of B's here. Regarding, see, means why I'm thinking all the way, I should make the complete system, means each and every state, at each and every state you must give a transition for all the inputs equal exactly 1. That is the reason I'm thinking. First requirement I made, then you have to control. Suppose W if started with A, should not accept, correct or not? So we have to control. Look this, all of you. BAB. So only BAB should be there, right? Suppose if you come BAB, if A comes again, then again B comes. Should accept or not? Still it is ending with BA. So I will send like this BA. So for this A, so for this A, I made it for A. All of you please do understand. I made it for A. Now suppose if the W comes BAB, BAB, then suppose if it is come second B, then followed by AB is there. Now it's still this is what ending with BAB only, right? Now what I will do for this B, if it comes, I'll send to B here. Any doubt more? So I am repeating, you can start with any number of A's or not. You can start with any number of A's here. Any number of A's can come. Now Q2 on A, so Q2 on A, suppose, so W equal to, if you come like this, W equal to, if you come A, B, then A, any number of A's can come, BAB come, suppose. Any number of A's followed by BA and any number of A's followed by BAB is there. Still it is ending with BA only. So here middle any number of A's repeating, so what simply I can do, so anyway we don't have a transition at Q2 for A, so I will send here on A. You can think, all of you are getting my point. So any number of A's followed by B, 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 followed by any number of A's followed by B, A, B, if it comes, this must be accept or not. The single string only, the single string you should accept. Any number of A's repeat at Q0 state, any number of B's can repeat at Q1 state, any number of A's can repeat from Q2 to Q0 again, then BAB ending. This must be accepted, yes. Other than any string comes, it is going to be rejected. What is string? Suppose it started ABB, just ABB, should reject only, see. So rejecting Q0 on A, Q0 only, Q0 on B, Q1, Q1 on B, Q1 only. So you are at Q1. After completion of this string, you are at Q1. Q1 is what? Non-final state. Non-final state nothing but rejecting. As I told you, mentioned, any string if reached any one of the final state, that is nothing but accepted. Otherwise, if it is reaching to any one of the non-final state, is going to be rejected. These are the possibilities there. Now finally, number of states in this FA will be how many are? 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. Simply, what is length of the string? BAB length, correct or not? Length of the string is 3. 3 plus 1, 4 we got. So now we can make a formula. What is the formula we can make? When the question comes, construct the FA that accepting all the strings of A's and B's or zeros or ones, where every string ending with some string. So length of the string plus 1, if you add it, you will get the number of state in that FA, simple thing. So length of the string, length 1, length 2, length 3 I have seen, right? So length of the string plus 1, simply. Are you getting my point, ma? All of you? Please do note down clearly. Thank you.